Suburban Reliquary is a powder-coated, life-size steel sculpture depicting a gold vintage vacuum cleaner on a silver table. Reliquaries have been created for centuries. They contain the bones, hair, or other relic remains of saints. The relic objects are often contained in gold or silver containers encrusted with precious stones and placed in shrines or altars. Relics have traditional importance to Christians, Hindus, and Buddhists. Reliquaries and the objects they contain are venerated by the faithful to gain blessings of a saint. The sculpture clearly satirizes that which is culturally sacrosanct, spiritually and monetarily. The word suburban implies the commonplace and unremarkable in juxtaposition to locations of the spiritually sanctified. The full vacuum bag implies dirt and dog hair from the floors of ordinary homes, creating a humorous commentary on human values and assignation of religious significance. As an ordinary consumer product depicted in an exalted state, it speaks to advertisement, consumerism, and contemporary values. Gold and silver color suggest earthly wealth, just as the round table with the cherubim angels satirically allude to the spiritual. The joke is furthered by the reality of angels resembling vintage car hood ornaments, yet another consumer product. The humor and nostalgia of the piece engages the viewer through distinctly American imagery. By placing an ordinary household appliance on a table serving as an altar, the viewer reflects on the significance or insignificance of suburban aspirations. In a consumer society, one seeks the blessing of social approval through the veneration and acquisition of objects elevated to an exalted state.